Hi, this is Alex Maines with an audio precision quick tip. Quick tips provide a brief look at an APx500 feature or function. This quick tip explains fast sweep enhancements in APx500 version 9.0. The APx500 fast sweep signal is a sine wave stimulus that utilizes transient minimized steps as a sweep is moved across a specified range of frequencies. As a type of stepped frequency sweep, it returns results identical to traditional stepped frequency sweeps. But by careful optimization and by leveraging all of the tools that are available from modern digital signal processing, they can be much faster. This enables measurement speeds comparable to continuous sweep, but with the benefits of a stepped sweep. What are the most significant benefits? First and foremost, the fast sweep can measure THD plus N. In contrast, continuous sweep can measure THD, but cannot return the noise component of THD plus N. Additionally, fast sweeps can be swept from low to high or high to low frequency, and do not require very long sweep times when you want to measure very high order harmonics. Finally, fast sweeps return results for only the precise measurement points you select. While fast sweep is available in previous APx500 versions, Version 9 software provides additional tools to optimize the speed of fast sweeps. Before version 9, the only way to configure sweep time durations for the fast sweep signal was to specify the overall time for a sweep. From the specified time, the transition, discard, and measurement time parameters were automatically calculated by APx500 based on the frequency range and number of discrete points used in the measurement. This also imposed a minimum sweep time optimized for a range of results. As you can see, with a default 20 Hz to 20 kHz measurement using the default ISO R-Series sweep, the sweep time defaults to 1.996 seconds. There are three parameters that are used to calculate this time. The transition period in cycles or milliseconds, which is the time to move between sweeps. The discard period in cycles or milliseconds, which is the time required for the device to reach steady state after a frequency transition, and the period in cycles or milliseconds that is analyzed to obtain the measurement results. The cycles column for each parameter sets the minimum number of cycles required at each frequency step in the measurement. The time column sets the minimum amount of time required at each frequency step from the point which the specified cycles can be completed within that minimum time. The crossover column displays the frequency at which the measurement switches between using cycles and using time. Although you can increase the total measurement time, which is automatically distributed across transition, discard, and measure times, you can't reduce the time below the default minimum. While this is generally sufficient for most measurements, there may be times that you want to optimize for a specific device under test, a specific result, or a specific measurement time. With APx500 version 9.0 software, you can now configure minimum cycles and times for transition, discard, and measurement parameters, and have APx500 set the sweep times automatically based on those parameters. To enable enhanced fast sweep control, select the Auto checkbox next to sweep time. When the option is checked, the cycles and time controls in the durations grid become editable, and you can fine-tune the fast sweep parameters. For example, if you are testing a device and require less granular results at lower frequencies, you can reduce the cycles in the measure parameter so fewer cycles are used in the measurement and the crossover to time happens at a lower frequency. Modifying the transition, discard, and measurement parameters affects the total measurement time and the frequency at which the crossover between cycles and time occurs. The fast sweep signal is available in acoustic response, continuous sweep, impedance teal small, and loudspeaker production test measurements. That's all for now. You'll find more information in the documentation provided with APx500. Look for additional quick tips at ap.com, and thanks for watching.